We have found our way to the Lidl.
Shopping trip.
For our first ever shopping trip. Let's grab a trolley and let's do this. Small loaf, small loaf. They look like a big loaf, so we don't want them, we want the small loaf. So we are now in Asda and we have a funny story to tell you when we get home, because our shopping trip was literally much longer than it needed to be. But we'll tell you about that when we get home. See you guys in a minute. Woo! Yeah. Let's go do some laser tag.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's that way. That's mud. In here. To learn how to cut the onion. We are having chicken, which I previously chopped in half.
And I am now cooking.
Yes.
Rice, pumpkin, pepper, tomato, rice, and some chicken stock.
And we are going to, we have already peeled the onion. Now we are going to dice the onion. Cut and glide. That is my method. Sink the knife and flick. There you go. Now you have your beautiful onion. Your beautiful red onion. And as you can see from my face, there are no tears. There you go, Nicola. Here we are in the gym. Some evidence there. Got to be getting in them gains. The blue.
What?
You move the blue.
Yeah.
After a gym session, it's time for some pool. Let's do it. Here we are in the kitchen. Everyone has gone home for the weekend and we have decided to clean the kitchen because it was left a right state. So we moved all the bin bags out of the way and now we're just mopping up the kitchen and cleaning everything and sorting everything out. The oven was despicable. That is grim.